everybody, welcome back. More tutorials, more flourishes. So today my favourite card, Flourish. Now this is the back palm. It's a way to make a card vanish into thin air. I first saw it in a film called The Prestige, and you can use it with business cards and stuff like that. It's really quite satisfying. I've done a little quick clip of me performing it at a couple of different angles, and I'm going to put that in, and then we'll look at how it's done. I hope you like it. It takes quite a lot of practice, but it's a great move to learn. So enjoy. Alright then, the back palm, how's it done? If you're interested, these cards are called Knocks from Alex Pandrea. If Alex Pandrea ever sees this, he's welcome to send me some freebies. So you take any card, and you're going to place it here on the hand. And then what you're looking to do is cradle it with your index and little finger. I don't know if I can do it with either hand, I'll give it a go. And then press your thumb against, hold it in place, and curl in these two fingers. Once you curl them in far enough, when you straighten them, it will go behind. Don't worry about the gap bits. We'll deal with those in a minute. First, the basic move. Now this will take quite a lot of hand strength. If you're still new to card magic, the card's getting quite bent quite quickly, and then you'll get used to it. Okay, fingers under. See how I'm grabbing here with my little one and my index? Because they have to come in to hold the card behind. This is where the strength practice comes in. You do this enough and the muscles will be able to do it. But to begin with, it's quite hard to hold the card. Okay. So again, you're going to do this. Pinch, under, around and pinch. It'll go behind the hand. Now, the big problem with this move is, of course, as you've probably already seen there, you're getting a close-up, is these little bits. And with practice, you can actually get it fairly consistent, so they're quite small, but they will always be there. So even there, that's a really good one. They're still there. So what you do is you wave your hand if you, okay? Now the idea is that the big motion covers the small. You're seeing quite a lot of magic where some big gestures being used to hide something very detailed that you can't see. If you're moving your hand, they won't be able to see those bits. You don't have to be like crazy, just, yeah? Cool, try and come up a bit so I don't catch on the mat. Now, when you look at the performance clip, you'll notice I did it normally from a standing position. That's because that's normally how you perform the move. It's just easier to teach it face down. I actually like doing it this way as a kind of, just a quick kind of reveal. So what you can do is, you can have their card at the top, and you can, or you can, some other method, they get a card, and it's the wrong card, and you go, you sure, check it for me, you pass them the card. And while you're doing that, you're quickly getting into position. And you go, okay, well, there's your card. Or it's just a bit of fun. I like doing it with business cards and just messing around. As I said, I saw it in a movie and I thought, that's just cool. Wanted to learn it. But it does. You can do a fake throw. You go, here's your card. Gone. And back. Now, as you see there, to get the card back, that could be sometimes a little complex. Well, not complex. It can go wrong if it catches on anything or if you lose your grip. To get the card back, you just are going to reverse the movement. It's probably easy if I angle up. Okay, so let's go from the top again. Card's getting bent quite quickly this morning. That happens. Huh, 3 aces. So you go into position, okay, pinch, devil horns if you like. pinch. Now, one thing to remember with this, if you go too far either way, it won't work. If you go too far in this way, you don't get the clearance. If you go too far that way, it's quite hard to get a good grip when you come under. You can do it, it's just harder. So about there, okay, just near those creases. I'll give you a good one. Let's get the card back, bend, come under and grab. And at speed, it's much easier. Your thumb will come in handy for the return, okay? Because then you can, if you're really quick with it, you can be like, you could grab it, get the other things out of the way, and it looks even more like you've caught it out thin air. So there you go. That's how to make a card vanish and reappear from thin air. One. Just, as I say, try and get practice with those. You're going to get ones where it goes a bit wrong. And even if you've got that, if you're doing that, it's not so easy to see it. And just practice it. And I hope you found that a fun little quick tutorial. Thanks for watching.